Hello guys, welcome to the channel everyone. So this is the second video of creating your own Facebook shop or your Facebook store. You can watch first video here in my channel, and in that video we learned to create Facebook shop, and in the place of checkout there was message option. So the buyer had to first message the seller to order for the product. But now in this video we will learn another method, that is buyer can order the product directly from our Facebook page using this checkout button. The buyer can choose either credit card or PayPal option to order for the product directly from the Facebook. And in the next video or in the third video, I will show you how buyer can check out on our website to order for the product. So let's start from the beginning of creating the page. So click here. After that, click on create page to create the page. After that, write your page name. I will write $10 shop as my page name, and then select the category. I will write choose brand, clothing brand, and then click on continue. After that, use profile picture for your Facebook page and use cover photo. I will select it quickly. Now our Facebook shop is ready, so I will click here on shop. After that, click on get started. I will select my street address. I will select the city. I will select the state. Then I will write zip code. After that, I will use business email address and click on next. After that, I have to fill my state tax registration number and then click on next. Select business category. I will choose this clothing and then click on next. After that, business type is individual. I will write social security number or SSN number, then click on next. After that, bank routing number, bank account number, and name on my bank account. After that, I will click on next. Here I will write standard aid in standard shipping. Minimum shipping days 3 days and maximum 7 days. Shipping price is $2 and click on save. Shipping charge I had selected $2. Then I will write here business email address again. You can see you will be charged a processing fee of 2.9% plus 0.3 per transaction. Okay, then I will click on finish. Now your shop is ready for the inventory. Okay, done. Now our shop is ready. Now the next step is to add product to our Facebook shop. Now let's add the product. So I will click here on add product. I will choose photo for my product. Click on select files. So I will use this photo and then click on open. Click on use photo. Then I will write name for the product. I will choose price $10. You can write description. You can write anything in the description. And then scroll down. Click on save. Now the product has been saved in our Facebook shop. So let's click on the product. Okay, here you can see checkout option has been integrated in our Facebook shop. Now if the buyer click here on checkout, this is the secured checkout option hosted by the Facebook. So the buyer will write his name, his address, his city, his state, zip code, country, and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, he will be redirected to another option, pop-up option, where he have to fill his credit card number or PayPal. After selecting any one of the method, either credit card or PayPal, the order of the buyer will be initiated. In this way, you can use checkout option directly on your Facebook page, where the buyer can pay for purchasing from your Facebook shop. In the next video, I will show you how you can make checkout option on your website for the buyer for purchasing through your website.